Founded in 2020 in Winnipeg, Simba Management and Cleaning has grown to uplift Black communities in the wider society in Manitoba and Ottawa through meaningful employment opportunities. The company provides high-quality residential, commercial, and post-construction cleaning services, supporting the health, safety, and well-being of the community. It employs over 40 full-time staff, offering fair wages, flexible...
You have the heart to help and encourage young Africans. I want to say congratulations to this great...
Congratulations, Baraka. We are so proud of you, and we hope for many, many more because you deserve it. You work so hard, and yeah.
Congratulations, Baraka and Simba Cleaning, to many, many more years in business, more money, and more blessings.
Thank you very much, the Black History Month committee, for nominating and choosing Simba for this prestigious award.
I just want to say congratulations and keep doing the good thing. You are still going more higher. Congratulations once again. Bye.
Par rapport à l'événement de Black History, je voudrais souhaiter félicitations à mon boss, Simba Cleaning, pour sa nomination de Business Award. Je lui souhaite bonne continuation, beaucoup de business en marche et encore des awards.
I want to take this time to thank my father who's here in hall. I want to thank the employees who came with us today, all the Simba employees. And finally, I want to thank you.
This is a big congratulations. This is my heartfelt congratulations to the Simba management and the staffs of Simba. This congratulations on this award being given by the province of Manitoba. I believe it's the beginning of new things. And
I want to encourage you, keep it up, and we are aiming higher to serve the community. Thank you very much.
I want to thank my mother, who's, thank you. I'm nothing without my mother. My mother was the one who believed in the goal when I said I want to start a business that's going to empower and employ our communities. She was the first supporter, and I'm so grateful to have her on board. Thank you so much.